Assalamualaikum and very good afternoon. My name is Imran Iman bin MUZAFAR from 2BAA S1/1. First of all, I want to apologize to you, madam, for not attending the lab assessment today. I am very sorry because I obviously and not setting up a lot of alarm. I am very sorry, madam. So I will continue to the simulation of the exercise for the assessment. First, I will share the screen. For the exercise one, um, I will I've been asked to modify the circuit from here. Modify the circuit. Uh, okay, modify the circuit here. So by adding another analog input and connected with input A1. So for the power one, this is the given one. I already build up the circuit, and then you want to add another analog input. So I added here by adding another potentiometer. We've connected to the A1 here, A1. So this one we change. Okay, so for the task one, okay, question one. Second question, modify coding. So we will show AO, A0 first row, A1 second row. So to do that, I have given the coding in the lab sheet. So, but the coding is already have the answer for the question 3, which it has a condition here. So I will show you that we doesn't need the here is the question 3, the answer for the question 3, which has condition O and N, but for the question 2, we only need this until here to show that yes, a 0 below on the first row, and then the A1 on the second row. So we run it, and I change to the normal one, 50. Then as we can see, here, oh I'm sorry. As you can see here, the first row voltage 1 and the second row voltage 2 is requested, and then we proceed to the question 3, modify a coding. So they will have two conditions here. First is a blinking 0.5 second if a voltage 1 or voltage 2 is higher than 3. Then the second one, we will blinking with 0.1 second, which is more faster when the voltage 1 and voltage 2 is higher. So I already put the coding here with the entire coding that have been given, with including this condition coding. So I will run, and as you can see here, if we change the potentiometer if we change the condition, either voltage 1 or voltage 2, if they reach the over than 3 volts, so it is blinking 0.5 second. But if we change both potentiometer, it will change it will blink much faster with 0.1 second. Okay, then continue to the question 2. For part 2, okay, the first exercise is given that okay, what the bit read command? What is the bit read command? Bit read commands returns the bit value of the bit index requested, which means if you enter the value of a bit and then it came out with a value of a number, that's bit read. And then second one, what the function of IC 74LS48? The function is work as a decoder which decode BCD to 7 output. That's why we need this IC to change the binary code from the Arduino to the 7 segment output. If you use the 7 segment display. So we'll continue to the part 3, the exercise part 3. So for the part 3, duration set it will blink one complete cycle, highest until lowest LED before it change from blinking delay time we modify. So for the part 3 for the exercise 1, if we put the coding here, for the coding here, and then we put okay, and then when we run the simulation, we blinking slower, and then when we change the value after one cycle, it will start change the speed of the blinking when we put this coding as stated in the lab sheet. But the exercise want us to change when we change the value of the potentiometer, it also will change the speed accordingly instantly at the blinking part, at the bar graph, yes, that one. So if you want to do that, the condition we need is sorry, the condition we need is this is the given in the lab sheet. We change this part into this condition. Why we do that? Because if you put this one on the top, we will read this as the first step. We complete a cycle and then we'll jump the second step, the condition. But if we put this all together, so this will work as a one step only. It will run everything in one step. Compared to this one, we will run in two steps. First step will check the port pin. This one run this, and then the second one is check this one for the condition. That's why we put the port pin into the first into the condition code. So I will compile, export binary. Then I change the value. Yeah, okay, open. Okay. Then I will start run again. So here, as we can see the result. We will change the slower, we become more slower, and then we change more higher. Slow down instantly without a complete cycle. Slower and slow. One, then you will blinking too much faster. Yes. So that's all for my assessment. That's all for my assessment. Thank you. I'm sorry, madam. Thank you.